Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm going into senior year at Schreiber High School in Port Washington, New York. And my project is developing a third eye for the visually impaired, and this is my third major milestone. So to develop this project further, I've begun to add object detection to my third eye. And what this will do is inform a blind user not only that there's an object in their path, but now it will inform the user what the specific object is. And this will be much more helpful in understanding one's surroundings and navigating a house, sidewalk, park, or really anywhere else. And the first step in this task for me was to find a data set and then pre-process it. The platform I used was Google Colab, and the data set I used was Safari 100, which includes 100 everyday objects, animals, vehicles, and more. But some of the items in this data set are not as useful, such as aquatic animals, fish, dinosaurs. And if I use all 100 labels to train, my model wouldn't be as accurate. So to combat this issue, I had to pre-process the data. And so here at the top, I'm doing my initial importing. Here we have TensorFlow, a bunch of different TensorFlow capabilities that would be easier in training than a few more important things such as the PyPlot, PLT, NumPy arrays, PIL, image, and OS. These will all just be helpful in my training later, and I'll be going on into that in much more depth in my second milestone video. Some more important things for training are in this box here, including batch size, and then the setting my image to being 224 by 224 by 3, then the epochs and optimizer. All of this is really important for training, and I'll go into more depth of that another time. But with regards to pre-processing, so here I have loaded the data, and this is really the most important part. So this NumPy array here are the indexes of the specific labels that I want to train. So it's a new set. It's the new labels that like get rid of the fish, get rid of the aquatic animals, get rid of the dinosaurs, get rid of anything else that won't be helpful to me. But in here, what the code is doing is looping through the entire data set of thousands upon thousands of images and pulling out only the ones with these specific labels. It then resizes the image to the 224 by 224 by 3 that I desire. And the end result is a new data set from these arrays up here with only the types of pictures that I want. And then this will be used for training, and hopefully the model accuracy goes up, and eventually it does go up because not as many labels. Then down here with the testing data, we're pretty much doing the same thing because the test has to match the train, or else your model would be training for stuff that, or really your model will be testing stuff that it didn't train for. So, and then here I just wanted to see what one image looked like, and then I'm pretty much done with pre-processing. Thank you. And next milestone will be training and how I got my accuracy to be higher.